Hey everybody, so as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY using these houses that Dollar Tree has this season, as well as this tea light set. You're going to need 3, of course, with the color changing bulbs. The set comes with the plastic diamonds, but what we need is the tea light, and as you can see here, they change color from red to blue to green. And it's gonna add a nice sort of spooky kind of feeling to our houses once we complete the project. Okay, the first thing you want to do is grab some black spray paint. Any old spray paint will do. I just had this Rust-Oleum spray paint in my stash that has the primer built in, but you could use the black spray paint that Walmart has, and you want to give the houses a couple of coats. I took mine outside and spray painted them, and it didn't take long for them to dry because of course it's hot as all get out. But yeah, just take them outside and give them a good coat of black spray paint. And you also want to make sure that you spray the insides so you won't have the white showing once we put our lights inside. Just tilt your can sort of at an angle and you'll be able to get right inside with no problem. Okay, allow those to dry. And here I'm showing you how to activate the tea lights. You first have to unscrew them, and they have sort of a little round plastic little, I don't know what it is, piece of cardboard to keep the battery separate from the contact for the light. And you want to remove that before you can actually activate the tea light. And then you just want to screw it back together, and how you turn it on is you just screw it on and off basically, as you can see here. And please excuse my hands because I still have spray paint on my fingers from where I spray painted the houses. But there you go. That's how you do it. And all you do is pop them in your house, and here they are, all styled up and spooky. I love how they look and how they turned out. Really simple, but sort of chic at the same time. And they give off a wonderful glow and ambiance, so to speak, when the lights are out. That's why I love the color changing lights. But if you don't like those, or you just want something simple, just use a plain old tea light. And here they are with the lights off. I know it's hard to see because my lighting was kind of crappy in this room, but you can see what they'll look like once the lights are changing and everything through the windows of the houses. But I love this. It's really beautiful in person. So grab yourself some spray paint in those houses from Dollar Tree while they last, and make yourself a nice little set of haunted houses. You can do more if you want, create a whole village. So yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.